Hello everyone, and welcome back to Botanical Quest. In just a few hours, millions of people around the world will watch the World Cup final. The best players will fight for football's Winners' Trophy. But before the biggest match begins, I want to introduce you to another champion, a champion from nature. Can you believe that a tiny plant root can break solid concrete? At first, a root is very small and soft. It does not look strong at all. But every day, the root keeps growing. It slowly moves into tiny cracks in the ground. As it grows, it becomes thicker and pushes harder against the concrete. Little by little, the pressure becomes stronger. Days become months. Months become years. And one day, the concrete breaks. The root did not use speed. It did not use power. It did not give up. It used patience. That is why roots can lift sad rocks, crack roads, and even damage buildings. They do this because they are always growing and always searching for water and nutrients. Nature teaches us a powerful lesson. The greatest victories do not happen in one day. They come from small steps every single day. Just like football players who train every day before lifting the World Cup trophy, roots never stop growing until they reach their goal. So, while you enjoy the World Cup final in a few hours, remember this. The strongest player is not always the fastest. Sometimes, the strongest player is the most patient. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this amazing plant story, please like this video, subscribe to Botanical Quest, and share it with your friends. See you in the next adventure. Until then, keep exploring the amazing world of plants.